Today I'm going to do a quick adjustment on the chain for my H2sx. Okay, I've just taken this chain guard off just so that it's out of the way of the camera. You don't need to do that. I flicked it up there. Every bolt is Loctited, so be prepared to have a really good Allen key because they didn't spare any expense on Loctiting the bolts on a plastic part. Anyway, so we're adjusting it while the weight of the bike is on the suspension. That's what we're going for. There's probably a little bit more. The information says about 25 to 35 mil. I know it seems excessive, but that's what they want. If you need to, you can lift it to make the transition a little easier. But when you lift it, the chain becomes looser because the fulcrum of this is actually coming closer towards the front cog, therefore the chain's loose. So you need to get the weight off if you need to. You can do it without doing that. It's a lot easier to do it with the weight off. Might just take a few more chain tries and we rotate the cog. It's a little bit tighter there. Drop it back down, weight's off the scissor, make sure it's sitting on all the weight, and that looks to be about 25 mil, 30. Certainly a hell of a lot better than what it was. While it's there, if you've got one of these Allen keys with the little knot off knob on the end, turn it in, tighten it, turn it in, tighten it, tighten it. Going to be a bit tighter than what it was, I'm telling you that now. Nice and firm. You can do torque specs if you want. Firm. That looks good. And I'll put the chain guard back on. Was that easy?